Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to enroll a couple of key tags onto the HKC touchscreen keypad. Now you might have the older version keypad, not the touchscreen one, the one with the buttons. And if you have that, you won't be able to do this because it can't read key tags. Okay, so first I'm going to go into engineer mode, 4, 5, 6, 7, followed by the user code. And I'm going to create a couple of codes. So I'm going to go to the users menu, user codes. So code number 1, I'm going to create a code there. You might already have a code in for code number 1, the code that you already use for your alarm. So there'll be no need to change that, but I'm going to create 2 new codes from scratch. So I'm going to start off code number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, and verify 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. So that's code number 1 on user 1. Now I'm going to go to user 2, code unused. So I'm going to put a new code in there. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. Verify 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've created 2 codes. And now I'm going to give the names to the user codes. So user names menu, press yes. User 1, so I'm going to call that Jim. So code number 1 is Jim. And then code number 2, I'll call that guest. So code number 2 is guest. So now I'm going to quit. So next I'm going to enroll the tags. So I'm going to go down to the user procs assign menu and press yes. So code number 1 Jim, I'm going to assign a tag to Jim. So I'm going to press yes. And I'm going to hold my tag up. Keypad beeps and the screen says successful. So the first tag has been enrolled to Jim. And now I'm going to go to code number 2, guest, and it says tag unused. I press yes, and I hold my tag up, and it says successful. So I've assigned a second tag to code number 2, guest. Now I'm going to quit, exit engineer, press yes. So now the 2 tags have been assigned to those 2 codes. So if I hold up this tag to the keypad, it should arm the system.
System arming.
And then unset.
System unset.
And the same with the other tag.
System arming. System unset.
And if you ever want to find out which tag armed or disarmed the system at a particular time, you can just look in the log of events and it will tell you whether it was Jim or guest.